I'm a designer and I'm looking for scented slabs for my client.
Sure, ma'am, you came to the right place. So these are our latest arrival of our synthetic material. It's 12 mil thickness. It's a 3.2 by 1.6 slab. Basically, I have the porcelain finish here. I have the matte finish, and then I have the soft matte finish over here. May I ask, what colors are you looking for?
So the kitchen is pretty dark, but so she's looking for something bright regarding the slabs.
Regarding the slabs?
Yes.
Okay, perfect, because we do have like about 14 colors in this range.
Okay.
And it's heat resistant, UV resistant, impact resistant. You can even use it as a countertop, cladding, wall floor tiles. So basically it's very durable in whatever you guys are using.
Thank you so much. You're such a great sister.
You're most welcome, my dear. Take care. Have a good day.
Thank you.